We'll handle your website so you can handle your business. ExertPro gives you a dedicated website expert with their direct phone line, live chat, and personal email. Need website design changes? We're on call to do it. Contact your dedicated site manager, and our web design team will get it all done for you. Need content for your website? Our content writing team will handle it. Trouble with WordPress updates? No problem. We'll update your plugins theme and WordPress on a daily basis. If any issues or errors arise, we'll fix those too. Concerned about website security? We provide 24/7 protection and response to keep secure your website from hacker and malware. You'll get daily website backups, scans malware, removal hacker defense, uptime monitoring, basic SEO, analytics, lifetime free SSL, payment gateway, monthly traffic report, third-party API integration, and much more. With ExertPro, you're all set. Try us today. Let us handle your website.